This is the one video you absolutely cannot afford to miss today. Whether you're securing a factory, a hospital, or a commercial building, what you're about to discover will completely redefine how you view smart surveillance. Introducing the ACTI Z413, Z413P1, and Z813 series. More than just cameras, these are integrated AI surveillance solutions with crystal clear imaging, real-time alerts, two-way audio, and intelligent detection. Buckle up, we're diving into the first game-changing feature right now. First, let's talk about resolution. With 4MP clarity and 30 frames per second, the ACTI Z series delivers smooth, detailed footage that ensures nothing escapes your watch. Whether it's the hospital corridor, the factory loading dock, or the lobby of a high-rise office, this camera captures every second with unmatched clarity. Setup is a breeze. Simply select the resolution and frame rate from the interface, apply, and your real-time monitoring is instantly optimized for precision evidence collection and event review. Next, let's explore two-way audio. Imagine this, you're in the control room, and a suspicious person enters the hospital entrance or factory dock. You don't need to dispatch anyone, just activate the microphone and speaker from the ACTI camera. It allows real-time communication with on-site personnel or direct verbal warnings to intruders. Whether you're managing visitor flow or issuing live instructions, this feature turns your surveillance from passive to proactive security. Now, let's highlight DI/DO, one input/one output, support. With one digital input and one output, the camera can connect with emergency buttons, sirens, or warning lights. Picture a panic button in the hospital server room or factory floor. Once triggered, the camera outputs a signal to activate alarms or notify central control. This integration allows instant responses to incidents, making your environment smarter and more secure. Finally, let's talk about UMD and SIP integration. UMD enables smart motion detection, while SIP allows automatic audio callouts to warn intruders. In dark, unstaffed areas like storage rooms or night shifts in factories, the camera automatically detects movement and broadcasts warnings through SIP audio while notifying the control room. No more relying on human monitoring 24/7, ACTI brings automation into your defense system. Still wondering why ACTI is your best choice? Here's why. First, while Hikvision and Dahua may offer similar hardware, ACTI gives you all advanced features, including AI and SIP, with no extra licensing or subscription fees. Second, ACTI offers competitive pricing, often matching or beating Hikvision and Dahua, making it perfect for high-volume projects. Finally, for system integrators, ACTI provides full API support, documentation, and seamless VMS/ACS integration, reducing deployment friction. It's a solution designed to lower cost, reduce risk, and maximize efficiency, all in one powerful platform. This is the one upgrade your security system truly needs. Whether you're managing a hospital, securing a factory perimeter, or monitoring office towers, the ACTI Z413 and Z813 series give you professional-grade features at an unbeatable price. No hidden fees. No compromises. Just full control and maximum value. Click the link below to learn more, or talk to our consultants now. Let's build your next-generation surveillance together.